Welcome to AP Workshops, welcome to another one of our tech videos. Today we're going to be talking to you about fuel pumps. So welcome back to AP Workshops, welcome back to our demonstration on basically fuel pumps and how to clean the Teabag filter out of this. Now then, what I'm going to do is explain to you the situation. Every now and again it is advisable to change your fuel filters. So this is an immersed fuel pump assembly that goes into the bottom of your tank. This is the fuel filter here. This is the part that is serviceable. But not only that, underneath this cover here we've actually got a basically plastic gauze filter which looks like a tea bag. So what I'm going to do is show you how to get to that to clean it. So what I'm going to do is introduce you to the components that make up the fuel pump assembly. So this, like I said, this is the base plate that bolts into the bottom of the tank. We've got the fuel level indicator, we've got the fuel pump itself, we've got the fuel filter, and we've got the fuel Teabag filter. We'll call it the Teabag filter underneath here because that's what it's known as. Then we've got your high pressure fuel line and the return line. This is obviously from a Gen 2 because in the return line of a Gen 1 RSV there would be a dry brake connector here. So what I'm going to do is show you at this particular point in time. These parts are available in the shop. These parts are serviceable, so if you want to take your base plate off, we can get the base gaskets. There's even repair kits for this pipe here and this pipe here. But basically, you do need some constant, what they call constant tension clips there, just to make sure that you can sort of retighten that properly, no problem. But all these parts are available on the website. If you're going to go to www.apworkshops.co.uk. If you go into the fuel section, you'll be able to find out, and service section, you'll be able to find out all those parts in here. So what I'm going to do is show you how to get to the Teabag filter, which is situated underneath this black plastic cover. So it's 3 8mm bolts, just one there, one there, and one last one there. No problem. Remove these 3 8mm bolts. Oh, I can't do that. And you'll find that if you move these wires out the way, like that, you'll be able to get to underneath a Teabag filter. So you see what I'm saying by it looks like a tea bag? Effectively, this here is the Teabag filter that sometimes can block up. What I'd like to do is just basically, so just a little clip here, just flick the little clip off, no problems, flick that off, and you can clean this out with petrol. That will just better clean it. An airline would be ideal, some brake cleaners, some sort of aerosol, something along those lines, but that is how to get to your Teabag filter. So that's it, all done. That's how to get to your Teabag filter. So sometimes you might find that symptoms of a blocked Teabag filter could be your bike starts to misbehave, feels like it's running out of fuel after a few miles, that kind of thing. Absolutely, definitely worth having a quick look just to make sure. So that's it. Many thanks for tuning in. I really, really appreciate it. Check out the YouTube channel. We've got tons more videos along these lines. Probably some a little bit longer than this one, but check out the YouTube channel. So go to the search bar in YouTube, put AP Workshops. Thanks very much for tuning in. If you want to get in touch, you can get in touch, sales@apworkshops.co.uk. Check out our website for all of these parts that you need to service your fuel pump, www.apworkshops.co.uk. And a massive, massive thanks to ARAI helmets, RST clothing and Motul oils for the support. Without all their support, we couldn't do this. Again, massive thanks to you all. Take care, talk to you soon.